In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default search engine in Google Chrome. First thing you need to do is log on to Google Chrome. On the upper left side, you'll see three dots. Click on that. Go down to where it says Settings. Click on Settings. Now you'll want to scroll down to where you see it says Search Engine. And off to the left here, you'll see a arrow. Click on that, and it gives you a bunch of default search engines here. You got Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Acacia. You can select one of them, or you could go below that where it says Manage Search Engines. Click on that arrow, and from here you see you got all your default search engines here. But from here, you could click on Add, and you could add your own search engine. You put the URL here in the bottom box. I'm not sure what the keyword means. I guess you just name the, like they got here, Bing, Bing.com, and then they got the URL. So you would put Bing, Bing.com, and then the URL to do it that way. But you could change it to anything you want by clicking on the add, or you could just go to their default search engines. But that's the way you change it. Thanks for watching.